Hello, and welcome to an instructional video on how to set up your RDP connection to your newly created Summit hosting server on your Windows machine. To get started, locate the welcome email that was sent to you by a Summit hosting engineer. In this email, you'll find all the information you need in order to get your computer connected to your newly created server. To start, you'll want to save the RDP file that was attached to the email. To do so, click the drop-down menu and select Save As. Save the file to your desktop, and then minimize any windows to be able to find your file. Once your file is saved on the desktop, double-click it to connect. If a window such as this one appears, check the box off that says "Don't ask about connections to this computer again" and click Connect. When prompted, enter the username and password that was given to you in your welcome email, and then press Enter on your keyboard to connect. Once a connection has been established, you may be prompted with a Duo notification if you signed up for two-factor authentication. In this case, a push notification will be sent to your mobile phone and you can allow the login to occur. If you did not sign up for two-factor authentication, then this window will not appear and you will be logged directly into your server without a prompt. Congratulations! You just connected your PC to your brand new Summit hosting server. You're now free to use your applications as you need, and if you have any questions, feel free to let us know at ticket.summithosting.com. Thank you for choosing Summit Hosting for your managed cloud solutions, and have a great day.